Where do great vacuums come from? They come from a town built on genius, where ingenuity is respected and rebellion runs in its veins. It's no wonder every shark is born in Boston. Each a one-of-a-kind, designed to outsmart a single grain of dirt, conquer mountains of debris, give us a breath of fresh air, and even clean when we're not there. Smart inventions for the real world. That's who we are. Engineers, designers, researchers, all seeking one thing: to make every home feel more like home. Shark, designed in Boston, built for the world.